Hey everybody, it's Dean DeCosta, Search Authority, and today we're talking some updates to a great tool called Webtree. Webtree is a great tool for finding candidates, stuff like that. It does have a Chrome extension, but we're not going to worry about that. First, we're going to start with the Boolean Builder. As you can see, you can use job titles, preferred skills, you can show additional fields, all this stuff in here, and it will create a Boolean string for you, which is all good. You can also try with an example that they've already created and try start using it. This is all new, so this is all good. Next, paste the Boolean string. You already have your own, go ahead and paste it. Do it yourself. That works. They have some other synonyms in here you can add for diversity if you want and everything. You have Veterans Organization, Asian Pacific, you have women, you have LGBTQ, so it's all good. And then they have the JD mode. The JD mode is phenomenal. You just basically drag a JD over, cut and paste, and it will write a Boolean string for you, and you can start using it. So that's all awesome. Love it. Everything works out good. Obviously, you have to start searching. Before we get into that, though, we're going to talk about talent pools. Now, I haven't added anybody yet, and that's okay. And then we're going to look at settings, company directories, all sorts of neat stuff. This is more for outreach. So we're going to start here, where we're going to start doing our searches. So I'm going to start with the title, and I'm going to plug in the word developer. The reason why I'm going to spell it right first. I'm going to plug in the word developer is because I want to get it right. So we'll go with, let's just use developer, the heck with it. Let's preferred skills. Let's add in Java. Java is something we always want. Then let's add in Python. There we go. So we have Python, and we have data structures. Okay, generate Boolean string. So it's going to go ahead and generate a Boolean string, and here you go. Now, right now, it's looking on LinkedIn. You can also do women, LGBTQ. But you can change that to Twitter, Zing, and if it's technical, you can go to GitHub, Stack Overflow, Kaggle, and then for creatives, Behance, and Dribble. So let's go ahead and do GitHub. And now it's switching over to GitHub, and these are all people on GitHub and everything. So there you go. So you could search multiple places. We're going to go back to LinkedIn real quick so I can show you how the how everything works. So here you're going to explore and connect, and this is basically allowing you to create and write a contact to them, and you can use your Gmail, you can use your Outlook, and it'll send them an email, whatever it is that you need to do. Now what I'm going to do is get out of that, and then I'm going to go into the actual person. So page not found, that's on me, I'm not signed in. So let's just go down here and do a different one. All right, here we go. So this is it. Again, I'm not signed in. Whenever there's a page not found, usually I'm not signed in. But so here we go. Now, there you are right here. This is where you can grab the entire profile if you want and add it to a list. That would be that list I showed you earlier. And then you can go ahead, you can get emails, you can do it around. We're going to wait and let it do its thing here. Now, what it's doing is behind the scenes, so you're not going to get in trouble with this one. And we're going to go over here. And okay, they got 8 emails. Look at all these emails they found on the person. And you get experience details, you get everything you want, and it's all nice and pretty. And of course, now if you want, you add them to your talent pools. And then you can just start searching and emailing and contacting everybody. You can download the list. You can do whatever you want. Some really, really, really good stuff here that they've added. The thing for me that I think does it that's newest, that for me, is I like the JD mode part because you can just plug in a JD and go. You could paste in your own Boolean string and go, which is really cool. And then you can add other things. And then, of course, you can write your own Boolean string. All goodness, all nice stuff. And then this is what you end up with on LinkedIn. Now, I'm not signed in. I'm not going to sign in. I don't stay signed into LinkedIn. So that's how simple it works. This is an update. Here's some search history of other searches I've done. You see this one. We can, and everything. Push the button and let it resurface, and there you go. Again, I'm on GitHub. We'll go back to LinkedIn, and now we're on LinkedIn. And what's cool is it even has Twitter, because Twitter can be one of them places where not a lot of people like to search and know how, but there you go, Twitter. So there you go, that's it. This is new and updated. This is Webtree. They have a Chrome section. They find contact information. You can do it all. My name is Dean DeCosta of the Search Authority. May the source be with you.